2016 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, fog lights, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, body color door handles. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.